No, hey baby. Good morning. How's your sleep? Was your sleep good? Good. I'm glad. I'm glad you had good sleep, you had good rest. How's your belly? Is your belly feeling better? That's good. You were feeling pretty sick. And what about your head? Is your head feeling okay? No more headaches? Good. That's good, sweetie. No, can I get you anything? Okay, we can cuddle, okay? Come here. Come on, let's cuddle. Come on close. I want to keep you really, really warm. There we go. You know, I still find it wild that it's gonna be us three soon. Me, you, and the baby. That's just crazy. I mean, I'm so lucky to have you. I never thought I would ever get here. Having you and having a child coming soon, I feel so lucky. No, sweetie, don't worry, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. And I promise. I know it can be a little nerve-wracking, but we'll figure it out on the way. You have me, and I have you. And our baby's gonna be so beautiful. It is. And I'll always take care of you. And I'll always take care of the baby. So everything's gonna be okay. Okay. I promise. Let me feel your belly. Skin's so smooth. I think I can feel the baby kicking a little bit. Yeah, it's kicking a little bit. Wow. I know, I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. It's crazy. Sweetie, don't worry, okay? You don't have to worry. You're gonna be such a good mother, okay? So don't worry about it. I know that you're gonna be a good mother. It's because you're just so caring. You are. You're so nurturing, you're so kind. You just got a beautiful heart. And that's why I fell in love with you in the first place. And that's why I think you are gonna be such a good mother. So don't worry, okay, my little princess, you don't have to worry. You're gonna do great. Of course I'm gonna be a good father, sweetie. I mean, I think I'm gonna be a great father. I'm gonna raise our baby from the ground up. I'm gonna love every single moment of our family. I'm gonna love every single moment with you. And I'm always gonna take care of you. And I'm always gonna take care of the baby. Because you guys are my everything. I remember when I first saw you. I was so nervous. I was scared. But I knew. I knew I had to come up to you. And talk to you. I'm surprised that you gave me your number. I was shocked that you gave me your number. And when I took you on our first date, I fell so madly in love with you that day. That day I still remember what you wore. The perfume you were wearing. That you were the most beautiful girl in the world. And I fell in love. You were so kind. You were so sweet. I knew we were gonna be together forever. And here we are. Here we are now. We're gonna be a family soon. I know. What a journey. But it's an amazing journey, and I'm glad that I get to share this journey with you. And I love you, sweetheart. I can feel the baby kicking. It's kicking kind of hard now. Are you okay? Your stomach hurts a little bit. Okay. Let me get you that heated water bottle, okay? Give me 1 second. And I'll be back, sweetie. Here you go, sweetie. Got you that heated water bottle for your belly. Here, let me put it on your belly. There you go. Doesn't that feel better, sweetie? Of course, baby, I'll do anything for you. I'll do anything for you and the baby. Let me cuddle. Let me cuddle with you. Come here close. Come here close. Just like that. You know, you got the most prettiest eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes. Your eyes are really, really something special. And I'm not just telling you this to impress you or anything. It's just the way that they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love, your eyes just sparkle. I mean, it is kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? I mean, I do. I always get lost in your eyes. I do. And sometimes when the light hits your eyes just right, they glow. They really do. You really have a unique beauty to your eyes. But honestly, sweetie, you should really be careful. Because with eyes like yours, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. They are. Your lips are beautiful. There's something about them that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. And everything just fades away. I can't help but feel so lucky to be with you. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your beautiful voice combined with the way your lips move just mesmerizes me. Makes everything you say feels so special. And I want you to know how much I appreciate you as a whole. I do. And your lips are not just beautiful. They hold this warmth and kindness. And it's so comforting to be close to you. I mean, sweetie, you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are part of that whole. And your hair. I just love brushing your hair behind your ears. I do. Your hair is so beautiful and soft. And I love the way how the light just shines on your hair. It has its own glow to it, and I can't help but just getting lost into it. And it frames your face so perfectly.